Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. In this session we will learn about the quadratic equation and how the nature of roots are determined by the discriminant of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. We can write here x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. This b square minus 4ac determines the nature of the roots. Now, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means negative, roots are not real. That means imaginary. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it is 0. The roots are equal. Roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then two real distinct roots. It is greater than 0 is positive value. Now you can say b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation has real root or not. Also, so b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. So applying these conditions, we will do some sums. Find the nature of the roots of the following equations. If the real roots exist, find them. Number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here, combining with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can write a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the value of the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac is equal to b is minus 3 minus 3 whole square minus 4, a is 2, c is 5 is equal to 9 minus 40 is equal to minus 31. B square minus 4ac is minus 31. That means b square minus 4ac less than 0. So when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. Therefore, the roots of the equation are not real, that is imaginary. This is the answer. Number 2, three x square minus 4 root over 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here also a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 root 3 square minus 4a 4c is equal to 16 into 3, 48 is equal to 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. B square minus 4ac discriminant is equal to 0. So roots are equal and real. This is the answer. Number 3 sum is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. So discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 square minus 4, 2 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, positive 12. Two distinct real roots are there. This is n. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to k square minus 24. They have two equal roots. Therefore, since the roots are real and equal, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0, or k square is equal to 24, or k is equal to plus minus 24, or k is equal to plus minus 4 into 6 plus minus 2 root over 6. This is the answer. For second sum, kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, or kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a into 6 is equal to 4k square minus 24k. For equal and real roots, since roots are equal and real, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or you can write 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. You can write 4k common, k minus 6 is equal to 0. From here 4k is equal to 0, or k is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, then this equation kx square minus 2kx plus 6 doesn't exist, because these are all 0. So for k is equal to 0, the equation does not exist. So it is not accepted. Therefore, k minus 6 is equal to 0, or k is equal to 6. This is the answer. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. let present ages of two friends be X years and Y years. Therefore, the sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. X plus Y is equal to 20. This gives Y is equal to 20 minus X. This is number 1 equation. And the product of the ages in years was 48, 4 years ago. 4 years ago, their ages were X minus 4 and Y minus 4. The product is 48. Here, we'll put the value of Y is equal to 20 minus X from 1. So, X minus 4 into Y 20 minus X. 20 minus X minus 4 is equal to 48. Or X minus 4 into minus X plus 16 is equal to 48, or X minus 4 minus X into X square minus X square plus 4X plus 16X minus 64 is equal to 48, or minus X square plus 20X minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0, or changing the sign, X square minus 20X plus 112 is equal to 0. From here, we can write it is a quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20, C is equal to 112. So, to find out the roots, that means X value, we will find out the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 20 square minus 4a into 112 is equal to 400 minus is equal to minus 48. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Minus 48 means less than 0. Therefore, real roots are not there. Therefore, we write determine their present ages. Is the following situation possible? When real roots are not there, roots are imaginary. Therefore, the situation is not possible.